Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Flow app. You will go to settings and you will click. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about Flow and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.